How to turn off comments on Facebook post. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can turn off the comments on Facebook post, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Well, if you want to turn off the comments on Facebook post on any post that you might have posted, open up your Facebook and just locate that post by simply coming to your profile page, right? So right here you can see all this. So you can tap on the three dots option there, and here you can see who can comment on your post. Tap on it, and here you can set this to the minimum that says profile and pages you mention, and if you don't mention anyone, no one will be able to comment. So if you select friends and established followers, your friends and followers will be able to comment. If you select public, anyone will be able to comment. But if you select profile and pages you mention, only the ones that you mention will be able to comment, and if you don't mention anyone, then no one will be able to comment. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.